Hey guys, welcome back to the final week of the Halloween Spotlight Challenge, week 6. And the Spotlight Artist of the Week is me, myself, and I. Oh yeah, well, and spooky. So I chose Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, as the theme for our final set. I'm a little sad. This is our final week. I have really enjoyed this challenge with this amazing group of women. I mean, I'm blown away with how awesome these people are. I love working with people whom I've never worked with before, which was one of the original ideas of why the challenge actually started, other than the fact of trying to push myself and pushing other people to do something that they're not used to doing, and upping your game, so to speak, because we all get in our comfort zones and like to do things that we know we can do well, but you can't increase your wheelhouse, so to speak, if you don't push yourself. So because I am the Spotlight Artist, I am going to show all of the rest of the women's information here again, because you can't forget that you have to go to all of their pages on both YouTube and Instagram and follow each and every one of them. There were 9 of us total in this group this time, and it was a large group compared to the first challenge that we did back in May, where we had 5 people, but this was a blast. It will forever be one of my favorite things, and I have made some lifelong friends in here, guaranteed lifelong friends, and there are amazing artists in this group. You guys have to go and check out everybody. If you have not listened to me thus far, do so now. And go in the description box and go to these magnificent women's pages. Follow them on Instagram. Subscribe to their channels. I mean, the array of artistic ability in the group is amazing. There's outstanding just people in general, like their spirits, their souls, them as a person. I mean, just awesome people. Trust me, go look at their videos and you will see, them as people just pouring through their videos and what they love and what they like. And it's amazing. This challenge is amazing. If for any reason you yourself are interested in possibly joining one of the challenges that we do hold, we have an Instagram page that we are requesting that you go to and send a request to join DM. You don't have to give your details or anything like that. You can just say, I am requesting to join a challenge. That's it. We will reach out to you and, do the rest, so to speak. So you're going to want to go to @the Spotlight Collab Challenge on Instagram. The link is also in the description box for that. And I also provide that at the end of the video here, that will also be included in everyone's photos again. And there's also a little information page at the very end. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end. So if you are interested in the challenge, you can get a little bit more information on it. If you need more information, again, go to the Instagram page and you can get as much information on the challenge as your little heart desires. We are more than willing to answer any additional questions. Also, if you do not find the information you are seeking, we'll gladly answer your questions. Myself and Ms. Lisa Whitney are the admins of this challenge, so our information is also attached on the Instagram page. You can also go to our YouTube channels and see the videos if you have not, for any previous challenges, so that you can get a better idea of exactly how they work and what is required from you to complete this challenge. Otherwise, just know it's a blast and we love it. You can look at the other women's videos and pages and know they had a great time too. It is a wonderful time. If you're looking for support in the nail community, whether you have 100,000 followers or subscribers, or you have 10 subscribers or followers, there is no limit as to what you are required to have. It doesn't matter. We're not looking for, famous people to get you more famous. That's not what this is. We try to work with people who are inexperienced. We try to work with people who are experienced. We want everyone to increase their knowledge, have a good time, step outside of their comfort zones, do things that they don't normally do, challenge themselves regardless of their skill set, because it increases your skill set no matter what you're good at. Everyone in the group in the challenge can tell you they have done things that they have never done before. They have surprised themselves. This is what this is for. We want everyone to increase your skill set and make sure that you're being supported and having a great time, because this is nails. You don't have to be competitive. So this is not a competition. It is a challenge. There is a difference. We're not competing against each other. We are supporting each other. We are saying you can do this. Step outside, push yourself and do it. Have the confidence and try it. It doesn't matter if you think it looks like trash. It doesn't matter if you think it's the best thing in the entire world. You did it and it's amazing regardless of what you think it looks like, because you did something that you've never done before and you didn't think you could, and now look at you. That is the purpose of this challenge. We want support in our community. There are too many wolves in sheep's clothing in this nail community. A lot of us have had to find that out the hard way, and we're shocked that it wasn't more supportive, and that, you're met with this weirdly competitive and hateful part of the community. It seems strange that it's not more supportive. Like, we can all grow together. It shouldn't be a competition. It shouldn't be, I will step on anybody to make it to the top, because that's not how you sustain being at the top. You don't step on people to get to the top. You lift everyone with you, and then we're all at the top together. Like, that is a community. We are here for support. We are here to make sure everyone is supported. Again, look at the amount of subscribers that I have. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. It's not about how many you have. And it doesn't matter that I don't have 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter that I have 600 something. It doesn't matter. This is the best time I have had in a long time. And that's why I will continue to do these challenges, because I want to make that for somebody else. Again, whether they have 100,000 subscribers or whether they have 100 or 10, it doesn't matter. So don't think because you only have 10 subscribers or even 1 subscriber that you won't get to be a part of the challenge, because that's not at all, again, what this is about. As long as you're in it for the right reasons, we are here for you. We got you. We got each other. That's what this is for. You will be introduced to awesome people in the community, people who have been there for a while, and other people who are also brand new. And we have shared so many experiences through this challenge with each other. And it's amazing that you see that you're not alone, whether it is a good experience or a bad, because you will have bad experiences. It's inevitable. Amazingly, several people in the group have experienced the same ones. And it's a good thing to find out you're not alone. So it wasn't just you. So don't think that things that are happening are also just you. It's not. Things in this community affect everyone. Everyone talks. We all get to know each other. It is a fantastic community. I love this nail community. Instagram is fantastic. If you have not made an Instagram page, do so. That is also a requirement. I have talked through this entire video, which I do not normally do, but that is how much I love this challenge. So I want to thank all of you for hanging in and watching all of these challenges and going and supporting the other women in this challenge and following them and subscribing to them. They have come back in and talked about the growing support and how awesome it feels. So you guys yourselves are amazing. We definitely appreciate you. Please continue to do so, because again, you won't be disappointed from anyone's. I will show everyone's channel information again and also provide some spotlight information here on these last pictures. I super duper appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking with us through this Halloween Spotlight Challenge. We have some more collab videos coming up, pretty much a month filled with them. I love you guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Please make sure to go and subscribe to everyone. Any challenge information, head on over to Instagram. Again, you guys are the best. Make sure you support everyone else. If you're looking for support, I got you. Come and find me. Come and find all these women. We got you as well. Just make sure you reach out, because it's awesome. Come and join us on another challenge, and we will be here for you. Thank you. All right, guys. Again, appreciate it. Have a wonderful week, day, weekend, month, year. Y'all are the best. See you next time.